Hi, I'm Aymans from Ethiopian.io. Today I will show you how to create a text editor with some buttons like B, it means bold, I, italic, and U, underline, and some of the align buttons to right, to left, and to the center by jQuery. So let's do it. Firstly, I have three files. The first is the index.html. We have the basic syntax of HTML file, the doc type HTML, the tag of HTML, and the add tag here, the head with the meta UTF-8 to support all languages, and the body. We have on the body the script with the source in the file JS, my jQuery file, minified file, the version 3.1.1, and my custom JS, which is here my custom jQuery file with the extension .js, and my style.css for the CSS properties, but it's now empty as you see here. So firstly, I'm going to add a div here. This div has buttons. The first button with the value B, it will be like it. I will copy and paste it many times to do my here my 6 buttons: the I, the underline, the right, center, and left. I will change just it by I, U, R for the right, C to the center, L to left. I will add also a text area here, and I will reload and see how my page as you see here. I will now go to my style.css. I will add to the body or to the div a background color, the gray background color, a padding 20 pixels with for example 30 or 300 pixels, and a border 1 pixel solid, and for example 4. I will load and see how my page good. Now I will add another properties for the text area, like for example width. It will be 30 or 2095 to 195, and the height it will be 200 pixels, and the border none. Also display is black to be black to check the full page as you see here. I will now add to the button for example width 30 pixels, height also 30 pixels, and the padding will be 5 pixels, 10 pixels. And I will add some classes, for example underline. For the underline, I will give it the text line, or the text decoration is underline. And for the italic, I will give it the font style italic. And for this class also bold, I will give it the font weight bold. Now it's great. I will go to my file as you see here. Now when we write something here, when we click on B, nothing will happen. Why? So for this, I'm going to add some functions to my jQuery file. I will select firstly var from my text area, which is the $sign and text area here, and I will also add another variable which is the button, or I will check it like it. So button, great, and I will add, when we click on the button, this function will will be like it, and I check if this button dot value equals to b. If the value of this button equals to b, then I will check, or I will get the text area, and I will do the toggle class with bold class, and I will see what was the change. As you see here, the value is b. When we check the value is b, I will add and remove this class to this text area here, to the text of the text area. I will check and create, for example, YouTube icons, and I will click grid, and when I click again, the class will remove. As you see here, I will open my aspect element here, and I will see in my text area what happened. And when I click, the class will be hidden. When I click again, the class will be in this class. So I will just copy and paste it many times to do all the buttons. I will firstly check the I. I will give it the text italic, and for the U, the underline class, and I will see what's the icons, and I will, when we click on B, sorry, here it's another function of B. Great. Now I will reload and icons, and I will check B, italic, and underline, and when we click again, as you see here, the underline, and when I click again, the italic style and the bold for the font weight. I will now also give the right and center and left some properties, so we will copy and paste it, sorry. I will check if it's equals to right. I will modify the CSS here, properties. The first is the text line, it will be right, and I will see what's the results before all what I will do. So I will click on the right, get great. Now I will just copy and paste it, and I will check if the center, I will add the property center, and here left when it's equals to L, and I reload my page and see if I click icons, B it's for the font weight bold, and click again, I for italic, underline for the line under the text, right to the right, C and the center, left and the left, as you see here. And now this is my example. You can add some other buttons. This is the first part. I will, in the second part, add some buttons like UL based, like also the size, the color, all these tricks I will add them in the second part. So this is what I did today. Thank you for your